Hello, I am Anand Deshpande, the President of Soundcastings Private Limited based in Kolhapur. We are manufacturers of fully machined iron components and a major supplier to Mahindra. I would like to share with you our journey towards the Mahindra program of supplier capability building. Our journey of supplier capability building started in 2012 with an audit by Aon Hewitt. The Aon Hewitt audit showed a lot of our technical strengths, but they also highlighted some key gaps in our managerial capabilities. And we embarked upon rectifying these gaps over the last 2 years. As part of the capability building program, myself, my senior management team, as well as my operating managers underwent a number of training programs, some of them at the Mahindra Management Development Center and elsewhere, and came back with a lot of concepts about capability. We got a lot of training on pillars like strategic planning, HR, execution, innovation, and managing growth through partnerships. There was a good mix of classroom training, case studies, and projects which together helped reinforce all these concepts and helped us get better at developing the capabilities. The first pillar that we focused on was strategic planning, as part of which we developed our company mission, vision, values, SWOT analysis, and ultimately our strategy. Sure, some of these concepts we already knew, but they were not properly articulated and they were not shared throughout the organization, which we managed to do as part of the capability building program. Today, all of our people have a fairly good idea about our company's vision and our strategy to achieve it, and definitely it has helped us improve our execution. The second pillar that we focused on was managing growth through partnerships. We all know that managing growth is quite tricky and there needs to be a proper framework to manage it. After this supplier capability building program, we have laid a lot of emphasis on closely working with our OEM partners such as Mahindra. We have been able to get on board for several key programs such as the Dhruv program for Mahindra tractors, and made a lot of upfront investment for some of the key components for this platform. A critical pillar of the supplier capability building journey was people practices. As part of the capability build program, we did a systematic skill gap assessment not only for the staff but also for the workmen as well as the contractual labor. We held numerous training programs using a mix of our internal faculty as well as external faculty and deployed these concepts throughout our organization. Today, engagement is no longer just paid lip service in our company, but it's really something that is tracked and improved continually throughout the year. By working on the people practices, we are aspiring to create a high performance culture that can really help us achieve our lofty objectives. We also did a lot of work on the pillar of execution, as part of which several dashboards were put in place, not just for the entire organization, but for each department. These are now deployed throughout the company and we are continually working on achieving these objectives. During these 2 years, we have found that the Mahindra Supplier Capability Build program is in many ways different from the typical supplier technical upgradation programs of OEMs. It is one of the few programs of its kind that I have come across that focuses on managerial capabilities of the suppliers as well as the people issues, something that most STA programs don't address. We got a lot of high quality training from many of the trainers at MIQ, also from the Mahindra faculty as well as the expert practitioners themselves, and that really helped us upgrade our game to the next level. We have been able to also do a fair amount of benchmarking across the supplier community by way of cluster visits. We interact with various other suppliers and we understand the best practices deployed by other suppliers and then try to deploy them in our own company. A new interactive website has also been put up by Mahindra as part of the Supplier Capability Build program, which gives us ready access to a lot of useful literature. Because of all these improvements, we have been able to improve our audit score by more than 25% over the last 2 years. Overall, I do believe that the Supplier Capability Build program has surely helped us initiate our journey towards becoming future ready, and it will help not just Sound but I'm sure all the suppliers who participate in this program to become more and more competitive in the long term for quality, delivery and cost by improving our overall business capabilities. I would like to thank the entire Mahindra team for their efforts that they have taken on this very critical program, and do believe that together we can make a difference. Thank you.